In this video, I'll show you how to get a Robinhood bonus for transferring assets or funds into your account. Robinhood occasionally offers transfer promotions that reward eligible users for moving investments or cash from another brokerage, so it's important to check the details of any available offer before getting started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign in to your account. From the home screen, tap your profile icon and look for any notifications, banners, or promotions related to account transfers. If a transfer bonus is available, open the offer and carefully review the eligibility requirements. Next, read the terms of the promotion. Most transfer bonuses require you to move a minimum amount of assets or funds into your Robinhood account and maintain the transferred value for a specific period. Make sure you understand the required transfer amount, deadlines, and holding period before proceeding. Once you've reviewed the offer, start the transfer process through the app. Follow the prompts to connect your existing brokerage account and submit the transfer request. Double-check all account information to help avoid delays during processing. After the transfer is complete, monitor the promotion page and your account activity. Robinhood will typically verify that all requirements have been met before awarding the bonus. Depending on the promotion, rewards may take several days or weeks to appear after the transfer is finalized. That's all it takes to get a Robinhood transfer bonus when eligible promotions are available. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful app tutorials and guides.